Hi kids, welcome to Rain and Shine. Today, we're going to make a super tasty snack that's fun to put together and needs no cooking at all. We're making Bhel Puri. Have you heard of it? It's a famous Indian snack, and the best part is, we can make it all by ourselves. Let's get started. Here's what we'll need. 1 cup of puffed rice. This is what gives our snack a nice crunch. A handful of chopped onions. It adds some yummy flavor. Chopped tomatoes for juiciness and taste. Chopped coriander leaves for some fresh flavor. A handful of save. It's the crunchy topping. A little lemon juice for a bit of tangy taste. And if you like, a tiny pinch of chaat masala for some spice. Alright, let's start putting it all together. Step 1. Take a big ball and add in the puffed rice. It's light and crunchy, and it's the main part of our Bhel Puri. Step 2. Now, add in the chopped onions. Onions add a nice flavor, and they're super tasty in this snack. Step 3. Let's add our tomatoes. They make the snack juicy and colorful too. Step 4. Add a sprinkle of coriander leaves on top. They add a fresh and yummy smell to our snack. Step 5. Now, for some extra crunch, let's add a handful of save. This makes every bite even better. Step 6. Squeeze a little lemon juice over everything. Lemon gives it a tangy flavor, which is so delicious. And if you like a bit of spice, add a pinch of chaat masala. But it's totally okay to skip this if you don't want any spice. Now, use a spoon to mix everything together really well. Look at all those colors, the green, red, and yellow. Our Bhel Puri looks amazing. And there you go. You've made your very own Bhel Puri. Give it a taste, crunchy, tangy, and super tasty, right? Thanks for making this yummy snack with me today. You did a great job. Remember to like this video, subscribe to Rain and Shine, and share it with your friends. See you next time for more fun recipes. Bye-bye.